You're just too good to be true.
Love, as we stand here today, I am overwhelmed by the journey which led us to this moment. From the moment we met, my life changed in ways I never expected. Palagi kong sinasabi sa'yo na you are God's greatest gift to me. Ikaw ang pangarap ko. Ikaw yung pinagdadasan ko sa Diyos noon.
Love, from the day we met, I feel so lucky to meet someone like you. Like it was the greatest treasure I've been searching all my life. I love everything about you, especially for always checking on me. Your acts of kindness means a lot to me.
I still vividly remember when I was praying to God to give me someone who will love and accept me for who I am. Then you came. Truly, God keeps His promise.
Side of you leaves me weak. There are no words left to speak. But if you feel how I feel,
Ito ang atas ng Panginoon sa ating Ebanghelyo. Ito ang aking utos.
that it's real.
Mag-ibigan kayo
You're
gaya
just
ng
too
pag-ibig
good
ko
to
sa
be
inyo.
true.
Gaya ng aking pag-ibig sa inyo sapagkat ang Panginoon sa pagmamahal niya, tapat, walang hanggan, hindi nagmamaliw, lagi nagbibigay, lagi umunawa, lagi nagpapatawa sa sobra.
And if
Ang napakadakilang pag-ibig ng Diyos that we have to concretize in our day-to-day
to warm
life.
my lonely
Kung siya mangako,
nights, I love you,
hindi
babe.
nababako.
Trust in me when I say, oh pretty baby, don't let me down, I pray. Oh pretty baby, now that I found you, stay and let me love you, baby. Let me
Regina,
love you.
bukal ba sa ilo yung pagparito, pumakas ng dibdib?
Just too good
Si Nico na yung pakamamalit paglilingkuran habang buhay.
take my
Opo, Father.
eyes off
Nico, bukal ba sa ilo yung pagparito, pumakas ng dibdib? Si Regina na yung pakamamalit paglilingkuran habang buhay. Opo, Father.
so much. At long last, love has arrived, and I thank God I'm alive.
After the wedding, the next step is yours. Okay, let God guide you both and achieve your dream together.
Sa aking mga inaanak na yan, bago, sana maging mabuti kayong mag-asawa, walang awayan, at makakaipon kayo.
I just want you to let God be the center of your union. And whatever plans you have, let's always seek guidance to our Creator. Laging unahin yung needs kaysa wants.
Your face, the lights of the sky on the highway.
Walang pag-ibig na higit pa sa pag-ibig sa tao. Nag-aalay ng kanyang buhay para sa kanyang mga kaibigan. Ito ang dahilan why Jesus was born. He was born to save us, to offer His life for each and every one of us. And take note, nung siya'y mamatay sa krus, iniaray niya ang kanyang buhay, pagmamahal niyang tunay, hindi lang sa ating kagandahan, kagalingan, but especially to redeem us from our own sinfulness. Minahal niya tayo sa kabila ng lahat.
Never in my life have I been more sure. So come on up to me and close the door. Nobody
Regina, sumasangayon ka ba na maging asawa si Nico na narito ngayon? Alinsunod sa batas at mga dituntunin ng ating banal na simbahan?
Opo, Father.
Nico, sumasangayon ka ba na maging may bahay si Regina na narito ngayon? Alinsunod sa batas at mga dituntunin ng ating banal na simbahan?
Opo, Padre.
A great dilemma I'm finding myself in.
For all I know, you only see me as a friend. I try to tell myself, wake up for These fairy tales got to end.
Anak, pagbutihin mo lang bilang magiging mabuting ina ka. Halimbawa na dumating ang pagkakataon na magkameron kayo ng anak. Kung ano man ang mga plano nyo na suportahan ko naman kayo.
Pagbutihin nyo ang pakikipag-ugnayan nyo sa ibang bansa, lalo ka na ko. Maging mabuti kang tatay sa magiging anak ninyo at maging maligaya kayo sa araw-araw ninyong pagsasama.
I promise to never lose our spark and always do the little things to make you happy. I promise to always be myself with you and to find in you my home. I vow to make you feel valued, loved, and appreciated every single day.
Our love is real, calm, and sure. Thank you for loving me, for making sure I am always safe, and for making me calm in times of fear, struggles, and worries.
You're everything I wanted and more.
Regina, kailanman di kita pagtataksilan. Isuot mo at pakaingatan ng singsing na ito na siyang tanda ng aking pag-ibig at katapatan. Sa ngalan ng Ama, ng Anak, at ng Espiritu Santo. Amen.
It's a beautiful night. We're looking for something dumb to do. Hey baby, I think I wanna marry you. Is it the look in your eyes, or is it this dancing juice? Who cares, baby? I think I wanna marry you. Well, I know this little chapel on the boulevard. We can get out. No one will know. Oh, come on, girl. Who cares if we're trash? Got a pocket full of cash we can blow. Shots of Patrol. And it's on, girl. Don't say no, 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 no. Just say yeah, 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 yeah. And we'll go, 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 go. If you're ready, like I'm ready. 'Cause it's a beautiful night. We're looking for something dumb to do. Hey baby, I think I wanna marry you. Is it the look in your eyes, or is it this dancing juice? Who cares, baby? I think I wanna marry you. Oh, I'll go get a ring, let the choir bells sing like ooh. So what you wanna do? Let's just run, girl. It's a beautiful night. We're looking for something dumb to do. Hey baby, I think I wanna marry you. Is it the look in your eyes, or is it this dancing juice? Who cares, baby? I think I wanna marry you.
Huwag ka nang bibili ng piyesta ng motor, alam mong magagalit si Reg.
Since mapapalayo si groom sa'yo, yun nga yung kasi yung loyalty, yun yung pakakahawakan nyo.
We are all praying and that may your marriage be blessed, God being always the center of it. May it be filled with laughter on ordinary days, strength during challenges, and love that grows deeper with time.
I'm coming up for air.
Nico, kailan may hindi kita pagtataksilan. Isuot mo at pakaingatan ang singsing na ito na siyang tanda ng aking pag-ibig at katapatan. Sa ngalan ng Ama at ng Anak at ng Espiritu Santo. Amen.
Kailangan lagi mo lang habaan yung patience mo. So, lagi lang ninyong mahalin yung isa't isa. And na-appreciate ko kayo parehas. Mahal na mahal namin kayo. And lagi naman kaming nandito para sa
My love was
inyo.
as cruel as the cities I lived in. Everyone looked worse in the light. There are so many lines that I've crossed unforgiven. I'll tell you the truth, but never goodbye.
We're very proud of you. Alam namin na aalagaan mo si Reg. And alam din namin na mahal ka ni Reg at inaalagaan ka. And ganun kami kakomportable na nadagdagan lang tayo ng isa pang magmamahal sa pamilya. Lagi niyong tatandaan, yung pagmamahal, hindi siya emotion, hindi siya feeling. It's a commitment. It's a devotion. Trust and respect more than just love.
And so I became the butt of the joke. I wounded the good and I trusted the wicked. Clearing the air, I breathed in the smoke. Maybe you ran with the wolves and refused to settle down. Maybe I've stormed out of every single room in this town. Threw out our cloaks and our daggers because it's morning now. It's bright.
Regina, kailanman di kita pababayaan. Inilalaga ko sa iyo itong mga aras na tanda ng aking pagpapalaga at pagkalinga sa kapakanan mo at ang ating magiging mga anak. Sa ngalan ng Ama, ng Anak at ng Espiritu Santo. Amen.
Nico, tinatanggap ko ito at nangangako akong magiging iyong katuwang sa wastong paggamit at pangangasiwa ng ating pagmamahal.
See daylight, 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 daylight. I only see daylight, 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 daylight. And I can still see it all. All of you, all of me. I once believed love would be, but it's golden. And I can still see it all. Back and forth from New York. I once believed love would be, but it's golden. Like daylight, like daylight, like daylight, daylight. I don't wanna look at anything else now that I saw.
Habilin ko sa inyo, mga bagong kasal, mamuhay kayong lagi sa pag-ibig at katapatan. Regina, baka mahalin mo si Nico at pag-ibig patunayan sa pagiging buti ng may bahay na may pananampalataya, pag-ibig sa may kapal at ganap na katapatan sa kanyang kapal. Nico, baka mahalin mo si Regina at ibigin mo siya dahil na malasakit at Kristo sa simbahan bilang pagsunod sa kalooban ng Diyos Ama sa Kanya.
Thank you for being true to your words and for keeping your promises. I vow to always love and support you. I vow to stand by your side in all seasons of our life, to be faithful and patiently wait for you till you come home from months of sailing.
From this day forward, your joy is my joy, your dreams are my dreams, your life, my life. You are my love, my life, and my everything.
I love you so much and I can't wait to start our journey as husband and wife.
I want to be defined by the things that I love. of the things I hate, of the things I'm afraid of, the things that haunt me in the middle of the night.